Do you know what's the truth is? The people that will go no matter what will make it in the future. And that's too soon enough. Who's been through the fire and wondered, how long? Why are things like this? Some of you have endured enough stress to break. Don't think it's strange when challenges arise. The truth is, everyone, man, woman, boy, girl, will face a time where faith is tested. For every trial, there is a glory. If you just stand, I know it's hard, but if you just stand, even under this pressure, when you get to the right place, you'll look back and see a miracle. You never know you have faith until you're in a real fight. Real faith is proven in the furnace of affliction, in times of adversity. You're stronger than you think. You can endure more than you imagine. Be strong and very courageous. You have inner strength. The fight isn't about outer strength or might. It's about inner resolve, the strength to tell the devil to bring it on, that you're not giving up. You've got to grit your teeth, calm your resolve, and say, "Devil, come hell or high water, I'm coming out of this. It may not look like it, but I'm coming out." Once you start doubting yourself, you've already lost. Believe in yourself. To succeed, you've got to have a fighter's spirit. You must know it's a fight, and you have to embrace it. Life isn't easy. Nothing is handed to you. By committing to everything I started, I built a resilient spirit and mentality. Now I couldn't quit even if I wanted to. I couldn't stop even if I tried. I sought fairness in my life, and I know that somehow before it's over, I'm coming out of this. This may not be the end. There may be a sequel. I may be crying now, but there's no doubt my tears will turn to triumph. Repeat after me with power and conviction. It's possible. Many of us hold back in life, not giving our all because of past defeats and pain. We go to our graves holding on rather than releasing our potential. When things don't work out, we let those past experiences dictate our future. But remember, what you do doesn't define who you are. We all have two battles, one with the external world and one within ourselves. Control the inner battle, and the external one becomes irrelevant. You earn everything through constant effort and perseverance. Imagine getting everything you want without struggle. It sounds great, but it would make you weak. When real challenges arise, you wouldn't know how to handle them because you've never built strength through adversity. Growth and strength come from struggle. Pain, though tough in the moment, is your friend, shaping your soul and making you stronger. Without pain, there can be no courage or compassion. You are given challenges because you are strong enough to overcome them and inspire others. You've survived all your challenges so far, and you will survive what's next. Next time a struggle comes, embrace it as a lesson and an opportunity to grow. Your struggle is part of your story, and it has made you who you are today. Your struggle is your gift. It shapes you and gives you the tools to become great. People admire those who turn their struggles into strengths. Success and greatness come from habits and rituals. Every day, practice the fundamentals. Embrace the pain and resistance, for that is when real growth begins. Don't avoid struggle. Confront it with joy as an opportunity to prove your strength. Peak performers are detail-oriented and grow every day. When you feel stuck, push harder until it hurts, then start counting your progress. Victory is found in struggle. It's not to be avoided, but welcomed. Show the world you're ready for the fight, and that no obstacle can stop you from achieving your dreams. You are stronger than you think, and your struggle is your gift. Embrace it, grow from it, and inspire others with your journey. Your dream will never give up on you, so don't give up on your dream. Victory is yours. Remember, your struggle is your gift. Embrace it, grow from it, and inspire others with your journey. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more motivational content. Keep pushing forward and stay strong.